and she's my little sister. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to bake an eggless chocolate cake. So the ingredients are 4 teaspoons of coffee, 3 teaspoons of melted butter, any type of candy you would like to make it sweeter, and some sprinkles, chocolate syrup, a cup of water, some cake mix, a spoon, or a mixer to mix it up. And this is the type of cake mix I used. So let's get started. So now I already separated the ingredients that we're going to be using now and then later. So first you're going to be pouring in the coffee, and then the melted butter, and after that a half cup of water. There. And now we're going to be mixing with a spoon. So now I'm done mixing. I took help from my mom to mix it with the mixer. So now we're going to spray the pan. The pan that we put it right here.
Start.
So now I greased the pan with some butter or oil. So now I'm going to pour in this batter that we made. Whee! So let's do it. So now I already poured the batter in this bowl, and now we're going to microwave it or put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to set it to 10 minutes. So I already cutted the candy that I got, the Swiss roll. So now let's taste it. Yeah, I cut it with my mom's help. The cake's ready. Now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. Get out of my way. So I actually took the cake out of the fridge, and I took help from my mom to cut the middle of it and put this chocolate syrup in. And now I'm just going to spread it. There. So I took my mom's help again to put the piece back on, and now I'm going to pour a little more chocolate syrup on top. And now I'm just going to spread it. Hey, what are you doing, Hazel? You want cake?
Yeah, I want cake.
It's not ready yet. We're going to decorate it, okay?
Okay.
Done. And now we're going to be putting the candy that we cut on top of the cake to decorate it, like this. Oops. Done. So now I chose these sprinkles to put in the middle. I'm going to take some of them and put them in the middle. I'm going to put some in the corners so that I get enough. So now I'm going to take these stars and then put them in on all the Swiss roll. I'm gonna go in a pattern, or it's your choice if you want to go in a parallel or not. Done! So I actually added some stars in the middle and I added 2 Swiss rolls right here. So you can make this cake for your dad for the Father's Day. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you later guys. Bye!
Bye.